friends, welcome to my channel DevOps Vijay. Today we will be learning about Oracle VM. When you install Ubuntu OS on Oracle VM, you might have seen that your Windows. Let's go ahead and see how that looks like. Your screen is small. Okay, I have installed one Ubuntu OS in my previous video. After that installation, my Ubuntu um, UI looks very small. So how to fix that and how to make it compatible with the user? You can see now my Ubuntu VM is starting up. Now if you see, this is the common issue after installing the Oracle VM. On top of that, I have installed Ubuntu desktop, and if you see, the screen is very small. It is it does not looks good, and also you will very feel uncomfortable to work on this. So let's go ahead and fix this and make sure how to install the guest edition of Ubuntu. You can see the devices, insert guest edition CD. So for now, click on this dots. Okay, search a button will come. Here you type terminal. Terminal will come up. Okay, now it is logged in with guest. Okay, when you type sudo su hyphen I, give password for so guest is not in the sudoers file. Okay, so what you have to do is, since you have logged in with guest and you have to switch to root, then only you can do the installation. So let's go ahead. So now I have fired a command sudo su hyphen sudo su sudo. So su switch user, when I fired a switch user command, it has switched to the root. After this, you can add the user into the sudoers list, so that every time you can do a sudo for root. So but that is not the situation here. We will go to the switch user to root, apt update. It is now updating. I'll give these commands, the terminal commands, in the description so that you can copy and paste in your terminal. Apt update is done. Clear it. Next command is apt apt linux headers hyphen dollar uname hyphen r apt install space build essential dkms. Click enter. Click y. So we are installing right now three libraries. One is Linux headers for this uname hyphen r, that will give the release version of this Ubuntu. So it's specific to this. Second one is build essentials. Third one is dkms. So three libraries I am installing right now. It will take couple of minutes. After that, the installation of those three libraries are done. Once both the commands are done, come to the top, click on devices, click on insert guest edition CD image. Once you click on that, you will see one If you click on this CD on the left hand side, you will see the VirtualBox guest CD has been added as a mounted as a mount point to this Ubuntu OS. When you click on this, sometimes what happens, it will directly run your software and it will give a pop-up. When it does not happen, it will open the folder where the um, where your files and the executables are present. So you right click on this, click on open in terminal. So you will directly go into that location. Okay. Do ls-lrt, you will be able to see all the files present here for VirtualBox guest edition. So now what we have to do is we have to execute autorun.sh. So let's run autorun.sh. So you can see it has given, as soon as I triggered that, it is asking for the password for guest, GUEST, guest. Click enter. Now it is installing the VirtualBox guest edition installer, which I mounted using the devices insert guest edition. Okay, we'll wait for this to be finished. One thing to remember, which I also faced, is this installation of this guest edition. When I was trying to do with root, it was throwing me some proxy error. Execute this auto run with your guest login or whatever user you have logged in. Using that only, you try to run the auto run.sh. Okay, once this installation is finished, we can come out of this. We can restart the VM, and that's it. It will, now you can see VirtualBox guest edition kernel modules will not be displayed until the system is please return to close this window. Click enter. So it has come back with the no error. Okay, close this. Now you have to restart your VM. So how to do the restart of VM? Go on right hand side top where you see the battery sign. Here you see power off, log off. Expand this, you'll see the restart option. Click on restart. Restart. VM is restarting. Enter username and password. If you see it is still small after doing lot of activities, you minimize this, not minimize means adjust the window screen and again maximize it, it will get maximized, and that's it. The problem of guest installation is solved. If you follow these steps, your guest installation issues or error, nothing will come, and you will be able to see the proper Ubuntu screen. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.